In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see where a file is being used inside HubSpot. This is incredibly useful if you're planning to update, replace, or delete a file, and you want to make sure it's not being used on a live page, email, or landing page. Knowing where your files are being used can save you from broken images, missing downloads, or formatting issues across your website. So if you're working inside HubSpot's file manager, this is something you definitely need to know. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is head over to your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, go to the top navigation menu and click on Content. From the dropdown, select Files. This will open up HubSpot's file manager, where all of your uploaded images, PDFs, documents, and other assets are stored. Now that you're inside the file manager, the next step is to locate the specific file you want to check. You can do this in two ways. First, you can use the search bar at the top and type in the file name if you already know it. This is the fastest method, especially if you have a large number of files. Alternatively, you can browse through your folders manually if your files are organized into folders. Take a moment to find the exact file you want to review. Once you found the file, hover your mouse over the file name. When you hover over it, you'll see additional options appear. Look for the Details button and click on it. This is where HubSpot shows you all the important information about that specific file. After clicking Details, a panel will open with file information, such as the file URL, size, type, and other metadata. But what we're really interested in is the File Usage section. Scroll down within the Details panel until you find the section labeled File Usage. In this area, HubSpot will display where the file is currently being used across your account. For example, you might see that the file is being used on a specific landing page, website page, blog post, or marketing email. This is extremely helpful because it gives you full visibility before making any changes. If the file is being used in multiple places, you'll see a list of all those assets. You can even click into those pages or emails directly from this list to review them. This makes it very easy to double-check everything before replacing or deleting the file. Now, here's why this is so important. If you delete a file without checking its usage, any page or email using that file could break. Images may disappear, download links may stop working, and your visitors could have a poor experience. By checking the file usage first, you can safely decide whether you need to replace the file, update the content, or leave it as is. If you're planning to replace the file with an updated version, you can also use the File Replace option instead of deleting it outright. That way, the new version will automatically update everywhere the file is currently being used. This is a huge time saver and keeps everything consistent across your site. So just to quickly recap, go to Content, then Files to open the file manager. Find the file using Search or Folders. Hover over the file name and click Details. Then scroll down to the File Usage section to see exactly where that file is being used in your HubSpot account. It's quick, simple, and can prevent major issues. And that's it. That's how you can see where a file is being used in HubSpot. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step HubSpot guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.